Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you bought your label but but you can't find it. So after purchasing a label on Etsy, you can download it anytime you want, so don't even worry about it. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to download a shipping label on Etsy. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So the same question basically repeats itself. It's how to do so. It's including the shop manager again. So all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. Then we're gonna go all the way through the Etsy.com platform or the app itself. It's called Etsy Shop Home, Style, and even more, as you see here on Google Play. So right now I'm just gonna go to Etsy.com, tap on the link, open this new tab, then go and log in using your email address and password to access this shop manager here in this top right corner. Then tap on shop manager, go all the way to orders and shipping, then find the completed order. Click download label button and the label downloads as a PDF file. You can then save it to your computer or your device. As for like a bonus tips, use a dedicated shipping labels folder. Labels stay available in your order history, so don't even worry about it. Make sure your PDF viewer is fully updated so you won't have any problems later on. You can even open it on Edge or Google Chrome, it depends. Then you want to print it. You may want to use basically any custom print. I'm talking about if you want to print it at your house, you may want to use a custom one. Depending on the size, it's usually like 4-6, I guess, or like 8.5, 11. It's something between them two, and that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.